One winter morning in the south of Wrocław, Poland, inside the Deviniti headquarters, the day started like any other, until the phone rang.
Good morning. This is William from Deviniti support team speaking. How can I help you today?
Hi. This is Elf Holly calling. We really need your help. It's the Christmas shopping season. Companies are buying new equipment for their employees and teams. And we elves are completely overwhelmed by all the work.
I see. What exactly seems to be the problem?
Well, procurement at the workshop is a mess. Elves running in circles, shouting about orders and deliveries, hoping someone somewhere knows what's in stock. Supplier lists are scattered, information is outdated, and nothing is in one place. So, before we completely lose it, can you help us?
Let me tell you about something new from Deviniti, Procuro. Your entire procurement process can be visible in one place. Orders, suppliers, approvals, all clear, all structured. The Procurement app brings multiple roles together in the same workflow. The process starts when the manager submits the request through the customer portal, specifying the equipment they need. There's no need to create a separate request for each item. You can track everything in one request and finally leave behind the chaos of emails and spreadsheets. When a request comes into Jira, the IT admin reviews it and begins preparing a complete list of required items, using the Procurement app panel directly within the issue view. The list is based on the assets, so the IT admin can choose from the catalog of things. If something isn't in the system yet, because it hasn't been purchased before, it can be added quickly. Next, availability is checked. What's already in stock, what requires a new quote, and what needs to go through a purchase request. With the list ready, subtasks are automatically created for both the procurement team and the IT admins. Everything stays in one place, so the whole process is easy to track from a single issue. The original request and all its subtasks stay organized in Deviniti queues, where each task with its subtasks is automatically grouped by the team responsible for it. When a request for quotation comes in, the procurement specialist can add the quotations and highlight the recommended one. Then, the quote is sent for approval. If it's declined, the reason is also provided in one place. Once the quote is approved, the procurement specialist can create the contract for the item, which will be used for future purchases. They fill out the necessary details and add the expiration date corresponding to the contract end. With this step, the request for quotation process is completed. After the contract is added, linked purchase requisition tasks are created. Once the purchase requisitions are approved, the procurement team can move forward with the purchase order task. The last step is to proceed to stock management. All tasks remain in one centralized workflow for full visibility and continuity. When all deliveries arrive, the stock manager uses a dedicated queue to manage the tasks. Items are marked as ready for collection, the pickup location is selected, and the task is automatically completed. The reporter gets an automatic message that the equipment is ready for pickup. All stages of the process, together with their current status, can be tracked directly from the original request.
This looks interesting. We'd be happy to test it with our team and we'll get back to you. Thanks. Hi, it's Holly again. I just wanted to say thanks. All the equipment reached our employees right on time. Procuro saved not only our holidays, but also our everyday operations. Thank you, and happy holidays.